I was at Sam's Club and I came across this meal right here. Now it looked really good on the package. Now what it is it's a fettuccine and vodka sauce with Italian sausage and Calabrian chili, zucchini, and peppers. Now this looks fantastic. The question is, what will it look like when I cook it? So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so now let's open it up, see how it looks. Okay. So it's interesting. So what you have is a thing of pasta here, and then everything else apparently comes into this little bag right here of sauce and vegetables, and hopefully Italian sausage is in there too. So we're gonna lay this out flat into a skillet, and then we're gonna pour 3/4 cups of water. We're gonna pour in our pasta and our sauce. All right, let's get our pasta open. Cut that open there. You want to gently lay your pasta into your skillet here. Separate it. Pull it apart. All right, that looks good. You're gonna pour in 3/4 cups of water. And then it said to shake the pouch. So you wanna shake it up. Make sure we get everything mixed in well. Everything mixed in there. All right, cut it open. Then we're gonna gently and slowly pour the pasta sauce into our noodles here. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on to medium high. Right there. Oh, it smells good. This is how it looks here. It's like some orange paste. And get all of that out. Definitely have everything in there. I can see the sausage, everything that's supposed to be in there looks to be in there, so that's good. And if you want, you could fold this over like this, and to make it easier to squeeze all of it out to the best of your ability. There we go. Now, they want you to cook it in the microwave. That's really the preferred method, but I don't want to cook it in the microwave. This little dish, though, that's what it's made for, cooking in the microwave, but we're gonna do stovetop today. For whatever reason, I think stovetop generally tastes better. All right, let's stir this up. Try to get everything blended in there. Right now, it's not looking like the box, to be honest. but we're gonna give it some time. We're still early in the process, Then again, once this starts to boil, we're gonna cook it on medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. I just wanna get everything mixed in well. All right, let's stir it up. It's starting to cook now. I mean, it's looking pretty good. Let's see how it looks compared to the bag. And not bad. I mean, it definitely has a lot of sauce, which I'm actually happy about. Like, I love a lot of sauce in my pasta. Whenever it doesn't have enough, then the pasta is dry. So this is looking really good. With the sausage right there, that looks really good. Look at that. Got the peppers in there. And peppers. I mean, it looks like a really good meal. Look at how that sauce looks. It looks really good. So I can't wait to try it. We have about 5 minutes left on our timer, and it'd be time to eat. So it's really a quick and easy meal. It only cost $13.28 at Sam's Club. So it looks really, really good. $13.28, you can't beat it. Now it says to make sure that you stir it frequently, so don't let it just sit there. One thing is that I'm using a non-stick skillet, so that's gonna help it not to stick to the bottom, but it says to make sure you stir it frequently. So I mean, it's smelling really good. It's smelling really good. You see the zucchini, everything in there, it looks really nice. All right, what it looks like. I mean, I'm not upset with it. It looks pretty close to the box here, to the bag. Now in the bag, you can see the pasta. I think they added the pasta after the fact, because look here, the pasta in real life looks more orange. You know, that's because of the sauce, but I'm okay with that. I'm not really upset with it. I do like how much sausage you have in there. I mean, that looks fantastic. It looks just like it does on the bag here. It's got a lot of pasta. Now, definitely what they did was they poured the sauce in this container first. Then they poured the noodles. They sprinkled everything on top so that you can really see what comes in the bag. It was made it look really good, and that's why I bought it. But mixed in together, yeah, you can still see the zucchini, you can see the peppers, you can see the sauce. I mean, it looks fantastic. It really looks delicious. Look at that compared to the box. Looks fantastic. Cannot go wrong with it. I'm really pleased with it. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells good. You can smell the wine sauce. You can smell the peppers. I mean, oh, it smells delicious. You're gonna love the way this smells. Oh yeah, oh, that smells really good. And now it's time for the taste test. Let's see how it tastes. Some noodles on there. Some sausage. I'm gonna give it a pepper. If I can get it on there. There we go. Get that. I'll get that right there. Don't that look good? Here we go. Oh man, that is fantastic. That is fantastic. The noodles are good. The sausage is really good. The peppers. This is really good. You're gonna love it. My voice was about to go high, but you're gonna love it. $13.28 at Sam's Club. I mean, hey, I am happy with this meal right here. It is fantastic. Fantastic.